Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1970 MGB Roadster. It's finished in Bracken, which is this burnt orange, kind of a pumpkin color, with black interior, black top boot, 4-speed, wire wheels, luggage rack, Nardi wood steering wheel. Very, very nice restored car that we have here. Very good quality restored car. We purchased it from Tennessee recently from its caring owner that kind of did a no expense spared full restoration on the car. So very, very good quality paintwork. All the chrome's been renewed. Let me just take you around the car here. Brand new wire wheels, new tires, new knockoffs, all new bright work on the car. The windshield frame came apart and was all polished and correctly finished with a brand new windshield fitted with all nice new rubber here, you can see. All the door moldings are beautiful, all brand new. New luggage rack fitted. Really impressive restoration here. This is the original top boot on the car. The soft top is brand new. It's in black. It does have a very small tear or blemish on the driver's side, which I would probably, if it was my car, I'd just get that repaired and patched because you're not going to use the top much. But interior-wise, brand new panel kit, all completely purchased and finished. Brand new OEM seat kits here. Fresh quality carpet kit. The dashboard's brand new. The dashboard on this car is amazing. It all came out and was replaced by a brand new item. Very nice period Nardi wood wheel there. That's maybe worth $700 to $1,000. New console, all new sun visors here. You know, so completely redone trim, beautiful condition. They sprayed the trunk with a heavy black underlining kind of chip resistant paint. But really lovely, impressive car overall. Let me show you the engine compartment. That's going to be equally impressive because they removed all the items in the driveline. I think they had the driveline rebuilt. But as you can see in here, all the body work was painted beautifully here. Harness was rewrapped. Engine was detailed nicely. Radiator. So, just really rich and clean and beautifully detailed in here with all the nice restored components. And new underpad kit. But all just a perfectly nice, straight, clean, painted engine compartment. So, there's a lot of MGBs out there. Few are done to this standard. This is a very, very nice 1970 MGB Roadster, finished in the original color of Bracken orange with black interior, 4-speed, wire-wheeled car, luggage rack, black top and boot, Nardi wood steering wheel. Very, very nice, high quality restored car that we have here on offer with that exceptionally clean engine compartment. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.